Did you know that something smaller than a button can change your life? It sounds crazy, right? But it's true. These tiny seeds pack a punch that can transform your daily routine in ways you wouldn't believe. These little wonders are called chia seeds. They may be small, but they are mighty. Packed with nutrients, they can be a game changer for your health. I'm talking about big changes. More energy, feeling lighter, and just feeling good. Imagine waking up refreshed, ready to tackle the day with a smile. I bet you're wondering, how can something so tiny do all that? Well, stick with me. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. They help in digestion, boost your metabolism, and keep you feeling full longer. I was skeptical too, but what I learned about chia seeds blew me away. They are versatile and can be added to almost any meal. From smoothies to salads and even desserts, chia seeds can fit seamlessly into your diet. So, are you ready to make a small change for a huge impact? Let me tell you, I've tried every diet fad out there, from low carb to high protein, from juice cleanses to intermittent fasting. And I've paired them with every fancy workout routine you can think of. Some of these methods worked for a bit, but nothing felt sustainable in the long run. Then I stumbled upon chia seeds. They were so simple to add to my daily routine. I started by sprinkling them into my morning smoothies, and soon I was adding them to my yogurt and even just a glass of water. It was so easy and convenient. The biggest surprise? I felt fuller for longer periods and my energy levels soared throughout the day. No more afternoon slumps for this girl. I was more productive and happier in the afternoons. But here's the kicker. I even noticed my clothes fitting better. It was like a dream come true. Chia seeds weren't just about feeling good, they were helping me look good too. My confidence soared as I saw the positive changes in my body. Now, I share my chia seed revelation with everyone I know. It's amazing how something so small can make such a big difference in your life. Turns out there's a reason chia seeds pack such a punch. They're full of fiber, protein, and those healthy fats we all need. Fiber keeps things moving, if you know what I mean. Protein helps build strong muscles. And those good fats? They keep you feeling satisfied and energized. But I'm saving the best for last, the ultimate chia seed tip that changed everything for me. Section 4. Ready to embrace the chia seed power? Think about your own life. Could you use a little energy boost? Maybe you're looking for a way to feel better in your own skin? Chia seeds could be your answer. It was definitely mine. Now, I'm not saying to throw out everything else and live on chia seeds alone, but adding them to your routine, that's where the magic happens. Section 5. The ultimate chia seed tip. Remember that super special tip I mentioned? Well, it's finally time to reveal it. Get ready because this is a game changer. This tip will elevate your chia seed experience to a whole new level. Ready? Here it is. Soak your chia seeds before you eat them. Yes, it's that simple. When you soak chia seeds, they absorb the liquid and create this amazing gel-like texture. Trust me, it's delicious and adds a unique twist to your dishes. Not only does soaking make them tastier, but it also makes them even easier for your body to absorb all those amazing nutrients. Your body will thank you. So there you have it. Tiny seeds, huge impact. These little powerhouses can transform your meals and boost your health. Are you ready to unlock the power of chia seeds? Start soaking them today and see the difference for yourself. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried soaking chia seeds before? How did it go? I can't wait to hear about your chia seed journey. Let's inspire each other to make healthier choices.